Deep in the heart of the forest, where the canopy is thick and the air is filled with the scent of pine and earth, a majestic creature reigns supreme. This creature is none other than the bear, a symbol of strength and resilience. The bear, with its powerful presence and commanding aura, is rightfully known as the king of the wild. Its roar echoes through the forest, a reminder of its dominance. Their sheer size and strength demand respect, while their role in the ecosystem earns admiration. Bears are not just predators, they are also crucial for the health of their habitats. Bears are more than just powerful creatures, they are fascinating animals with a rich history and complex lives. From playful cubs to wise old bears, each has a story to tell. They have adapted to survive in some of the world's harshest environments, from the icy Arctic to lush forests. Their ability to thrive in such diverse conditions is a testament to their resilience. Understanding these incredible animals is crucial, not only for appreciating their majesty, but also for ensuring their survival for generations to come. Conservation efforts are vital to protect their habitats and way of life. Prepare to delve into the captivating world of bears, where we'll uncover surprising facts and stories that highlight their intelligence and adaptability, and unravel the mysteries surrounding these forest monarchs. From their exceptional senses, which allow them to detect food from miles away, to their vital role in maintaining balance in nature, bears are indispensable to the ecosystems they inhabit. Get ready to see bears in a whole new light. Their behaviors, interactions, and survival strategies are nothing short of extraordinary. So, grab your virtual backpack, and let's embark on an adventure to uncover what makes these creatures truly wild and wonderful. Join us as we explore the untamed world of bears and their incredible journey through life. One of the most remarkable things about bears is their incredible sense of smell. Imagine having a nose 7 times more powerful than a bloodhound. That's the reality for these kings of the forest. Bears use their extraordinary sense of smell to locate food, even from miles away. A whiff of ripe berries, a carcass left behind by another predator, or even honey hidden high up in a tree. Nothing escapes a bear's keen nose. This incredible sense also helps them navigate their territory and even find potential mates. It's their way of experiencing and understanding the world around them, making them highly skilled hunters and survivors. What do bears eat? It's a question that often surprises people. Well, despite their fearsome reputation, most bears are surprisingly omnivorous, meaning they enjoy a varied diet of both plants and animals. This dietary flexibility is one of their key survival strategies. Berries, nuts, roots, and grasses form a significant part of their diet, especially during the abundant summer months. These plant-based foods provide essential nutrients and energy, but don't be fooled by their plant-based preferences. Bears are not just herbivores. Bears are opportunistic hunters and won't hesitate to go after fish, insects, and small mammals when the opportunity arises. Their hunting skills are quite impressive. Some bear species, like the mighty grizzly, are known to take down larger prey like elk or moose, showcasing their power and hunting prowess. This ability to hunt large animals highlights their strength and adaptability. This diverse palette makes them adaptable and resourceful inhabitants of the forest, capable of thriving in various environments. By playing a crucial role in regulating prey populations and dispersing seeds through their foraging habits, bears help maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Their presence is vital for the health of the forest. Bears are perfectly equipped to thrive in their environment. Their stocky build and powerful limbs make them excellent climbers and diggers. They can easily scale trees to reach honey-laden beehives or dig out roots in small animals hiding underground. Their thick fur acts as a natural insulator, protecting them from harsh weather conditions. Whether it's the scorching sun or freezing snow, a bear's coat keeps them comfortable and prepared to face the elements. And let's not forget those claws. Those sharp, curved claws are perfectly designed for a variety of tasks, from tearing through tough bark to defending themselves against threats. They are tools of survival, allowing bears to navigate their world with confidence and strength. As winter approaches and the days grow shorter, bears prepare for a long period of slumber. They instinctively know it's time to conserve energy and wait out the lean months ahead. This period of deep sleep is not exactly hibernation as many believe, but rather a lighter state called torpor. During torpor, a bear's heart rate and metabolism slow down significantly, allowing them to conserve energy. They don't eat or drink for months, relying on the fat reserves they built up during the summer and fall. This incredible adaptation allows bears to survive harsh winters when food is scarce. It's a testament to their resilience and their deep connection to the natural rhythms of their environment. Section 6. A family affair. Mother bears are fiercely protective and dedicated parents. They give birth to their cubs during the winter months deep inside their dens, where the little ones are shielded from the elements. Cubs remain with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills like hunting, foraging, and defending themselves. During this time, mother bears are incredibly patient and attentive teachers. They show their cubs where to find the best food, how to navigate their territory, and how to stay safe from danger. This period of learning is crucial for the cubs' survival, preparing them for the challenges of life in the wild once they eventually strike out on their own. Section 7. Respect the crown. While bears might be the kings of the forest, their reign is not without challenges. Human activities such as habitat loss and fragmentation are increasingly encroaching upon their domain. As we expand our footprint, we must remember the importance of coexisting with these magnificent creatures. Respecting bears means understanding their boundaries and giving them the space they need to thrive. It means practicing responsible hiking and camping etiquette, storing food securely, and keeping a safe distance if we encounter them in the wild. Remember, a bear's behavior is driven by instinct and a need to protect themselves and their young. By respecting their space, we can avoid unnecessary encounters and contribute to their well-being. Section 8. Guardians of the forest. Bears are more than just fascinating creatures. They are essential members of the forest ecosystem. Their role in maintaining balance is crucial and often underestimated. As they forage for food, they help disperse seeds, promoting plant diversity and forest regeneration. Their predatory nature helps regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and maintaining a healthy balance within the food chain. Their presence, or lack thereof, can have a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. By protecting bears, we're not just safeguarding a single species, we're preserving the health and integrity of entire ecosystems. Their presence is a sign of a thriving forest, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 9. A call to action. The future of bears, these majestic kings of the forest, lies in our hands. These magnificent creatures, with their strength and grace, are a vital part of our ecosystem. It's our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. By taking small but meaningful steps, we can create a significant impact on their future. We can all play a part in their conservation, no matter how small. Simple actions like reducing waste, participating in cleanup drives, and teaching the younger generation about the importance of wildlife can make a big difference. Supporting organizations dedicated to bear research and conservation is a great way to make a difference. These groups work tirelessly to protect bear habitats, study their behaviors, and implement strategies to ensure their survival. Educating ourselves and others about bears, their behavior, and the threats they face is crucial for fostering coexistence. Remember, every action counts. Knowledge is power, and by spreading awareness, we can inspire others to join the cause. By choosing sustainable practices, respecting their habitat, and advocating for their protection, we can help ensure that these incredible creatures continue to roam free in the wild. Our choices, from the food we eat to the products we buy, can have a direct impact on their environment. Let's all do our part to keep the kings of the forest reigning for years to come. Together, we can create a world where bears and humans coexist in harmony, celebrating the power and beauty of the natural world.